welcome. My name is Fiona and today, honestly guys, it's been the most coziest day so far that I've experienced. It's raining outside, it's sort of cozy weather. I've heard a little bit of thundering in the distance and I want to put on my candle. That is the closest I've been to autumn so far. Like, it's so nice when the weather's a bit more cooler. Personally, I do like cooler weather. I like being in knitwear. I've had this discussion with you guys so much, like whether I'm a hot type of person or a cold type of person, hot or cold type of person, summer person or a winter person, and I'm gonna have to say I'm like an autumn winter person because I do like being warm, I do like being cozy, but when it's sunny and it's humid, that's just not a bit of me. I don't like it when it's humid. I feel like I sort of like I put up with it until it gets more doable and livable. So that's my conclusion. Anyway, today's video is going to be a huge H&M haul. Autumn is coming, and if you didn't already know, I do work at H&M. So the down low, we have autumn bits coming in and they're coming in thick and fast. I've seen a puffer coat, guys. I've seen a puffer coat. But yeah, puffer coats are in, knitwear's in, and H&M have the most amazing knitwear. And shacket style, they're just like here for the shacket style. I think they probably invented it. So I'm excited to show you this haul and future hauls to come. So if you're excited for this one as well, then smash it a big thumbs up for me and let's get into this H&M haul today. Okay, so getting on into today's autumn finds with this clothing haul. The first thing that I'm going to start off with is these boots. These thick Chelsea boots. I was deciding whether to get these ones or the ones with the brown along the bottom, if you've seen on the H&M app. I decided to go for these ones after I saw it on Perry Sean's Instagram and they are so nice. So if you've been with me for a while, I do struggle with like boots and stuff like that, and I never really go for the black boot. I usually go for like a cream boot, but something about these being so chunky, and I love the different material here in the middle where it's more of like a stretchy, so you can get them on so they're nicely fitting. You've even got the little pull-up tab on the back and a little sort of raised detail here, which I really like. And these are chunky, these are thick and chunky, and I just love them so much. I definitely think these are here for autumn with so many different variations of styles. You can even put them with a dress or some leather leggings. I can just think of so many different like outfit ideas with these boots. I'm so happy that I decided to go for these ones instead of the brown bottom ones. I just thought these would go with so many more different outfits, and these were $34.99 for these ones. They are like more of like a premium leather, I want to say. They're really like thick and sturdy, and I do feel like these ones will last. I get mine in a size 5, so I stay true to size with these, and they do look like they'll give you a lot of room in there as well. So I'm so excited for these. Imagine these on the pumpkin picking vlog. Oh my god, I'm super excited for that. So yeah, these are definitely going to be like pumpkin picking shoes. They're so thick and chunky so the mud won't get into them, and they do have a lot of grip on the bottom. Oh my god, I love them so much. So super happy with that purchase, and I find it so hard to pick like the perfect pair of Chelsea boots. So at the time of when I purchased this haul, we were sort of like in the midst of a heat wave, so I did pick up this sort of transitional piece because it is a ribbed crop top. So it is going to be cropped, so it gives you a little bit more air on your skin if you're not going to wear too much layering, and it is sort of like a ribbed, so it is going to give you that sort of cozy feel against your skin. So this is the adorable lemon yellow colour. So I don't know why I didn't get the bottoms or the cardigan with this. I honestly don't know what I was thinking, but this is in the size medium and it's this gorgeous yellow crop top. It's super cute. I love how it looks, and it's that gorgeous lemon shade, like yummy yellow sort of shade, and I really like the way it gives you that beautiful V detail, and it looks really nice and cozy, especially these with sort of like a wide leg matching trousers. But I didn't see the matching trousers, I only saw the shorts and the cardigan on there, I think. So I picked this up. I'm obviously gonna get the matching set. I don't know why I just got the top. So bizarre, but yeah, it looks super cute, and just this with like the cute cardigan or shorts or anything like that. I love a matching set when it's sort of like a unique colour. This was £9.99 for this cute crop top. So I think these are actually the leggings that I was meant to get with the crop top, but I'm just looking now, I don't think they are meant to be the same colour because this is much more yellow. You can't really see the difference on camera, but this is much more of like a yummy yellow, and then the one below is more of like a cream. Don't know. So I picked up these are like a ribbed legging. So I've just gotten the leggings out now. I don't know if you can see the difference in the shades here. This is more of like a yellow, like I said, and this is definitely a cream. But these are so nice. These are cream ribbed legging, and they are like a fitted legging as well. As you can see, I'm just getting so excited because they look absolutely amazing. Oh, I love the thick rib band as well. Oh my god, these look so nice. Again, I don't know if I could find the matching pieces with this, and I really want to, because this pictures this with like a nice jacket, and then even that like yellow crop top would look really cute. Just the perfect pair of like ribbed leggings, and these were £12.99, I'm pretty sure. Thing with when you buy online, it never says how much it is on the tag. You've always just got like remember how much they were. And these leggings are in the H&M basics section, so if you are looking for like your basic tops, your basics hoodies, your basics leggings, then always look in the H&M basics section. How many times do I want to say basic? But these are so nice. It's such a nice stretchy material as well. I'm hoping that they will fit nicely because I haven't tried any of these on yet. So I'm hoping that they'll fit nicely. They are stretchy, but I'm just wondering if they'll be too stretchy. But they look so nice. I'm so excited to see and have a look for if they do have the matching top. I love everything matching at the moment. I just feel really funny if I'm at home, like when it's raining and lounging. When it's raining and I'm lounging, that it isn't like I'm not wearing a matching set, and I just like being coordinated, and these just look so nice. This next item, guys, has to be my favourite item in my wardrobe now, and I could not leave this. This is an in-store item. I did buy some in-store bits as well as online, so this is one of the in-store items that I picked up, and it was one of those items where I was like, I cannot leave today without buying this item. I did that at the end of the day, got my in-store purchase. So this is a beautiful, it's sort of like this peachy grey, so I don't know, it's not greyish because that's grey and beige, so I want to say peach and beige. But it's a beautiful rib knit cardigan. With this cardigan design as well, it has a beautiful v-neck. The tortoiseshell buttons are such high quality buttons, and it has gorgeous 2 pockets in the front. This just makes me feel like so cozy. This with like the matching leggings underneath with your slippers on, like with your cup of tea, going around your kitchen, hoovering. I feel like this is the perfect clean with me outfit. So this is £19.99. I did get it in a small, so I would size down, just because it is very oversized. It's such an oversized piece, and I just love the sleeves on it as well. It does have a slip detailing in the side, which I love. I love the fact that they do that so you can see your like leggings underneath, so it doesn't make you look like a block. And I love that it has 2 pockets in the front, so if you have a cold, you can just stuff your pockets full of tissues. I am feeling a little bit nasally today. I think I'm just a little bit bunged up from doing a little bit of cleaning. If you have allergies, you can relate. But I love this cardigan so much. I love the rib detailing, and I like the fact that they've actually left the collar out, so the rest of the cardigan is ribbed and then the collar isn't. I just love that effect. So yeah, I definitely got this in a small because it is very oversized, and I just love it so much. It's basically like a dressing gown but a cardigan, and I just love the neck. I love everything. This is my favourite piece of my wardrobe now, and it was £19.99, so definitely, I would definitely recommend to pick these up while they're in. They have it in this colour and a grey. I'm sort of going off grey. I think I mentioned it in my H&M at home haul as well. I'm going off grey. I like more like peachy, beigey tones with black accents. Oh my god, these and these. Definitely this year I've been obsessed with knitwear leggings, so I picked up another pair of knitwear wide leg leggings this time. I love wide leg recently, everything, it just looks so amazing. I love wide leg leggings, they're just so wide. Like that could be on the A5. They're just so stunning, and these are in the sale. But the thing is, I looked online and they were full price, so this does happen a lot with H&M. Definitely check online as well, because you can price match. If you didn't already know you can price match, then this is me telling you can price match. But it also works the same in reverse, because this was cheaper in store. It was 30% off. It says it's £12 on here. I don't even know how much I paid for it. But yeah, it was definitely a lot cheaper than that, and I got them in a size small. Like, how on earth were these in the sale and they're full price online still? I don't know, but they are beautiful. This is like a creamy beige, so what would that be? Beige? I'm making up so many different colours. I would say this is actually an oatmeal. That would be so much more easier to say than beige. Why am I trying to make up words? But these, again, I think I'm just legging obsessed. They are so nice. A really nice wide waistband as well, like stretchable. So I did get them in a small, but I'm really glad that I did, because these look like, oh, I think I have tried these ones on actually. They are perfect, especially with that rib knit cardigan. I am obsessed. So these, definitely if you're in your local H&M, then have a look if they're in the sale, and if not, I don't know why they're full price online, to be honest. It's just like a mix up of thing. It might be like the last one in store. So I'm so happy I picked that up, because it just, I feel like it's completed my wardrobe along with that rib knit cardigan. So I did say that I did go a little bit too far with the rib leggings, but I actually bought these not too long ago, and they were in the sale. They were like £7. So they are more of like a pinky tone wide leg legging, but they also have a slit detail at the bottom. I'm not sure what that's called. Like a split hem wide leg legging, and they're really comfortable. I got them in a size small, and they are really nice. They're like this pinky peachy colour again. Should I have another go? Peachy pink, what would that be? Peach. I have no idea, but they are so nice and comfy. I have worn these once or twice. I am just obsessed with, like I said, the rib legging. They are here to stay for my autumn winter wardrobe, and just cozy days at home. I love them so much. And £7. Definitely have a look in the sale for like the rib knit stuff, because you can pick up lovely pieces in there, and I love these with the tone of them as well. I do like a bit of like a pinky purpley peach in my wardrobe as well. This next item, guys, was so hard for me to get my hands on it. I was looking online, I was looking in store, and then I think 2 days later when I was looking in store, it showed up and there was only 2 sizes left. There was a large and an extra large, and I was thinking it's not my size, like it's gonna be too big, but I decided to get the large, and it is this jacket. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen a sneak peek of this jacket on my feed, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. It is like the perfect oversized size, and it was perfect even on like a sunny day. I loved it so much, and it was £24.99. I do not think they have them online though, or in store anymore, unless they are like the last ones. There was only an extra large after this large one. And it is a really nice check pattern, has 2 pockets at the front, and it does have the slit detail at the side, which I absolutely love, and I've mentioned before. We have the back, which is a normal back. It's just the same as the front, and I just love this sort of check design. I've just knocked over my pampas grass then. Look how bare my wall looks without the pampas grass there. That's why I like it there. And the pampas grass isn't going to be in the same area now. Oh wow. Anyway, going back to this jacket, I love the collar as well. The buttons are really nice neutral colour as well. I love the fact that it's all like a neutral design, and I love the thickness as well. It's sort of like a thick flannel, because some of the jackets I have ordered, well, I did previously order one of the like nice oversized jackets, which was like really popular. It was one of like the cream oversized jackets, and it was so heavy on me, especially if you're like a little bit shorter. Like that much heaviness is like just so heavy on me, and even Shane tried it on. It looked really good on Shane, however, like the sleeves were different for the men and the women. The sleeves come up really short on him, so he would have kept it otherwise because it was a really nice like thick jacket for him. But this type of material, it's sort of like in between thick and thin, so it's not a shirt, so it's not like a thin shirt, but it's not like a thick like heavy drag. It's a nice like in between material. It's like a medium thickness jacket. I can't describe that, but yeah, I really like this jacket. It's such a vibe. I love the neutral tones in there, so easy to style. It's sort of giving me picnic vibes as well, and it was £24.99, and it is such a staple in my wardrobe now. If I could wear this every day, I would, because it is like my tones in one jacket. That's really annoying now that it's not the same. It looks so different. Does that look better? I've just spent another 5 minutes fiddling around with pampas grass because I hate it when it doesn't look the same. I need to get some glue and just glue it to the wall, don't I? So last but not least, I actually picked up an item for Shane. So if any boyfriends in the back or fiance, brother, etc. are watching, then please pick up this jacket. It looks so nice on Shane. So basically we went to one of the stores, I can't remember which store we went to. I think it's when we went Chester shopping, and we found this jacket, and it hasn't been in my store yet, so I didn't see it beforehand, otherwise I would have thought that looks so nice. So we tried it in a large, however the large was a little bit too big, so I got him in a medium. So this is the jacket. It looks really similar to my jacket, but it's more of like a grey crosshatch. It has black buttons, and it looks so good on Shane. So this is the back. So a little bit different than the women's jacket. It doesn't have any slits in the side, but this looks so nice, like this with blue jeans trainers, and his hair sort of like faded at the side. So nice. And I'm pretty sure it was around the 25, maybe £26.99 mark. I want to say it's a really nice thick jacket, and I can imagine Shane wearing this for our pumpkin picking vlog. He would look so cute, and imagine if we were matching with my jacket because it looks very similar. That would be a dream come true for me, but Shane doesn't like being matching too much, if anyone else can like relate to that, but I do. I feel like my heart would be content if we had one like matching photo one day. But yeah, that would be so cute. But yeah, this is so nice, and I think it looks really nice on Shane, so I'm pretty sure it would look really nice on anyone in the back if they want to get one too. They're definitely selling out really, really fast, especially in the medium, so definitely grab it online first. I would definitely say more in store, it's more like the small large. But yeah, he's really, really happy with that, and he looks so nice in it. So guys, that is the end of this clothing haul for a few bits in autumn. I didn't get too much, but there's some more stuff coming in, so I'm really looking forward to that. So I feel like I have rushed it as well, just because I got to go to my mum's house, go see my mum, and it's such a nice like cozy day. I'm really excited to go see her. But that is the stuff that I got in so far. Please expect more of these from me, and I'm just so excited with the new items that I've got, and Shane's item, and it just makes me feel so happy when you've got new sort of cozy stuff in, sort of like shifting throughout the season. It just makes me so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and as always I'll link everything down below so you can grab yours as well if you're interested in any of the things I picked up and just liked what I sort of showed you. Whoa, it's weird coming a little bit closer for the outro, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this huge H&M haul. Well, not huge, I want to say middle-sized. And then go and check out my H&M home haul if you haven't already. The next few videos I'll be doing are more autumn content, some cozy content, and just some video ideas I wanted to do. So I hope you're excited for those coming up. Please smash this one a big thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it. It helps support my channel loads, and as always I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.